we are going to learn about the past perfect tense. So, previously we have covered past and definite, done, past continuous is also over. So today we will learn the use of the past perfect tense. Okay, where we use the past perfect tense, actually we have learned the past indefinite tense. So if you see this diagram, so for example we mark the 3, it is 9 a.m., it is 10 a.m. and it is 11 a.m. For example, if we talk about these, for example, you can say the meeting started at the 9 o'clock. Okay, I came to attend the meeting at 10 o'clock. Okay, and this was another point. In the past indefinite tense, we talk about the one action, and when we are going to talk about the two action collectively, there we use the past perfect tense. For example, we can say that the meeting started at 9 a.m. Okay, and I came at the 10 a.m. So I came at 10 a.m. Okay, so if we see which action occurred first, so obviously this one will happen first, na? Ki meeting was started first, not I came to the meeting. So we say ki the meeting, and we are now to say collectively both sentences, दोनों सेंटेंस को एक ही बार में हमें बोल देना है. अगर हम पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस का यूज करेंगे, सो वी विल हैव टू स्पीक द टू सेंटेंस. ओके, द मीटिंग वाज स्टार्टेड एट 9 a.m. I came at 10 a.m. We will use two sentences, but we can denote these two actions in one sentence like this: the meeting had started before I came. So here you see it is the structure of the past indefinite. Past indefinite means subject plus V2 combination. I have told you in the past indefinite. So this is the past structure. And the here meeting had started. This is the past perfect tense. So past perfect tense. Okay. Instead of using the two sentence, I am denoting these events, these two events in a one sentence. In sentence एक ही sentence में हमने दोनों sentence को डिनोट कर दिया. यहाँ पे this word is very importantly you have to remember before and when. So sometimes come the when and sometimes come the after. After structure is different. Later we will learn it. Okay, so if we see कि past, it is also a past action. The meeting was started. This is also a past action, and I came at 10 a.m. It is also a past action. But the action which occurred first is known as the past of the past. So past of the past means past perfect tense is also known as the past of the past. Means this event took place before these actions. इस एक्शन के पहले ये वाला एक्शन हो गया, सो इसलिए इसको पास्ट ऑफ द पास्ट बोलेंगे. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द पास्ट इंडेफिनिट टेंस. लेट अस हैव अनदर एग्जांपल. द ट्रेन हैड गॉन. द ट्रेन हैड गॉन. This is the past of the past, means first action, and second action is before I reached at station. So here in this sentence we see the two past action. First, I reached at the station, and second action is the train went. So, but if we want to talk it collectively and in one sentence, then this action means train went first. After that, I reached the station. So when I reached, the train had already gone. No? So this is the past of the past. This action first time, and after that, this action took place. So this will be denoted by the past of the past and or in the past perfect tense. Okay. Is it clear by here? यहां तक क्लियर है ना? ठीक. So if we see, so it is very clear from the two examples कि what is the past perfect tense. So nothing else. It is also past action. It tells about the past action. But only the difference is कि in the past indefinite we talk about the one action, but in the past perfect tense we talk about the two actions. You can say like this that he had eaten food. He had eaten food. So ये सेंटेंस अगर आप देखो तो ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट है और बोला भी जा सकता है कि वो खाना खा चुका था. He had eaten food. This is correct, but not used alone. अकेले इसका यूज नहीं हो सकता है. क्यों? क्योंकि इसके आगे पीछे आपको बोलना पड़ेगा, कोई दूसरे इवेंट आपको रेफर करवाना पड़ेगा. यू विल हैव टू मेंशन द अदरवाइज कि क्या फायदा है किसी को जा करके सिंपल सेंटेंस. सपोज कि आई गो टू यू एंड से यू दैट सर ही हैड ईटन. सो ये थोड़ा सा इलॉजिकल लगता है, जबकि मैं ये अगर ये कहूं कि जब यहां पे मैं कुछ और ऐड कर दूं, ही हैड ईटन फूड व्हेन यू अराइव्ड. सो जब आप पहुंचे तब वो खाना खा चुका था. इट इज मोर लॉजिकल. इट लुक्स मोर लॉजिकल. ये थोड़ा सा अच्छा लगता है बोलना, ये लॉजिकल लगता है. ये भी ठीक है, लेकिन बट इट इज इलॉजिकल. इट साउंड इलॉजिकल. So, where will we use? When we are going to talk about the two actions. Another example, structure. Let us talk about the first structure. So, what is the structure? Structure of past perfect. So, first comes the subject. After that comes the had. So, helping verb of the past is had. So, remember, subject. After that comes had, and past participle or third form of the verb is used, and after that comes the objective part. Here subject he had, helping verb and third form of the verb eaten, and objective part is food. Okay, what he had eaten? He had eaten food. So this is the structure of the and if you want to change into the negative, so negative term will be only not is added here, nothing else. So subject plus helping verb plus not plus third form of the verb and plus objective part comes. Now so simple. Let us third it. So he had not eaten food. He had not eaten food when you arrived. So this is the negative structure. Is it clear? Here we are also referring the two action. He had not eaten food when you arrived. Interrogative structures, I had told you the first two word are inverse. So interrogative structure, what will be? So this is interchange now. First two word are interchange. So helping verb comes plus subject plus verb and plus subjective part. So had he had become the had, and subject is he, had he, and third form of the verb. So eaten, had he eaten food when you arrived. It means कि क्या वो यहाँ पे इधर structure of yes or no types, you know the answer will be get in yes or no. Had he eaten? So answer may be yes, he had eaten, or in the negative. So had he eaten food? No, he had not eaten food. So this is the structure. Madam, you look very confused to me. Are you getting? Okay. So, and second type of the WH family. So, where only this structure is followed, is copied same, only question word is added before. Now, if we want our answer in a sentence, in a phrase, not in the yes or no. Yes or no में आपको आंसर नहीं मिलता है, यहाँ पे आपको एक वर्ड में मिल सकता है और फ्रेज में मिल सकता है और सेंटेंस में मिल सकता है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि वेयर हैड ही ईटन फूड, वेयर हैड ही ईटन फूड. सो यहाँ पे एक्चुअल में वो पूछना चाह रहा है अबाउट द प्लेस. सो वेयर, होटल और होम, वेयर हैड ही ईटन फूड, उसने खाना कहाँ पे खा लिया था भाई. तो आंसर इसका मिलेगा he had eaten food at hotel. So this is the answer. Okay, this is the basic structure of the past perfect tense. Only the things we are to remember, it not comes alone only when we are going to talk about the two actions that occurred, that happened in the past only. Okay, note down it. Note it down. Yes, sir. So I told you that three words before, when and after are used. ना भाई, या तो हम कहेंगे कि जब आपने ऐसा किया तब उसने वैसा किया, या तो हम कहेंगे कि ये काम होने से पहले वो काम हो चुका था, ऐसा कुछ भी बोल सकते हैं, और या तो हम कहेंगे ये काम पहले हुआ उसके बाद ये वाला काम हुआ. सो you can use this collectively, but it is something different ना. मतलब इसको तो इसमें कोई अंतर नहीं पड़ता है, बट इसका स्ट्रक्चर थोड़ा सा उलट जाता है. when you are going to use, then be see now in first comes the past perfect and after that comes the past imperfect ना. so before or when and after that comes the past indefinite. Past indefinite. So this is the. But if you are going to use the after, so past indefinite comes first now. Past indefinite plus after plus past perfect. So past perfect last name. देखो जैसे I reached the station. I reached the station after the bus, the train had arrived. You have gone. So nothing is, if you are going to use before, so this particular clause will come first. The train had gone before I reached the station. And if you are going to mention this action firstly, then you will use after. So थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे आपको केयर रखना पड़ता है कि आफ्टर का यूज वहां पे होगा, मतलब आफ्टर एंड बिफोर आर द कंट्राडिक्टरी टर्म, पहले और बाद, तो ये आपस में अपोजिट होते ही है। तो इनका जो स्ट्रक्चर होता है कि पहले पास्ट परफेक्ट आएगा और उसके बाद में पास्ट इंडेफिनिट आएगा, किसके साथ? बिफोर के साथ। लेकिन जब आप आफ्टर यूज करते हैं, व्हेन यू यूज आफ्टर, देन पास्ट इंडेफिनिट कम्स फर्स्ट एंड आफ्टर दैट कम्स द पास्ट परफेक्ट। सो दिस इज द वेरी सिंपल थिंग, सो यू कैन रिमेंबर इट इजीली। ओके, when so when I reached the station, or when I saw she was busy. No? When I saw her, so she had taken her pen. So like this we use the when, means when को मिडिल में भी रखा जा सकता है। इन सारे जो ये कनेक्टिंग वर्ड है इनको आप पहले भी लगा करके बना सकते हो, जैसे कि आफ्टर आई रीच द स्टेशन, फिर कामा ही नीडेड, कामा लगा दिया जाता है, एंड आफ्टर दैट कम्स द ट्रेन हैड गॉन। दिस इज द ऑल अबाउट द पास्ट परफेक्ट। थैंक यू।